guys, we're gonna go fishing today, and we're gonna try and catch, I don't know, whatever's in this lake, whatever bites are cut out and stuff, and we're gonna maybe try and catch a drum, maybe bass. Yep. See you when the video starts. So, peace.
Okay. Let's wait now. We'll flop around for a minute.
No, just why would you do that?
How to get off?
Oh, maybe it was the same fish. That might probably be gone now. It might still be on.
You can just.
You might want to reel it in and just recast it if it doesn't get in. Like.
Sammy, what are you doing?
Ah, it's big! No, get it! Dad. Oh my gosh! Here on the hook. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Well, you scare it and it'll run off.
Well, that's what I'm trying to get it. No, I'm joking. Oh. Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Is it big?
Yeah, it's big.
Here, Dad, no. Put it, I want to hold it. There's
Whoa!
Get a hold of it.
Oh!
no, I don't want to hold it.
Oh my
I'll
god!
catch another one probably.
Oh! Whatever it is, it's
Get
big.
the end of your pole.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Dad! I can't even see it. I think it's.
Dad, it's a huge catfish. It is a catfish.
It's a drum.
No.
Look at it.
No.
Oh my!
He's not fighting it. It's not that big.
It's a
big
rod,
drum.
baby.
Look at his head! Dad, look at his head!
You're not
It's
casting.
purple.
I know.
Don't hook anybody.
Oh,
Now get the pole away from everybody.
yes.
I have it
Put it
hooked
in the
up.
back of the truck.
Look. Hold it up.
Yeah, oh my gosh! Oh, oh.
Look at that one.
Oh my crawdad! Hey, so does the crawdad. Yeah, grab it.
Come over here.
Keep your pole up.
Keep your pole up. Oh my.
I guess I put the needle nose up there.
Samuel, look. Smile.
Now walk down this way, Will. Walk down to your right. Keep going to your right. There you go.
Watch out, Phil. Bigger? You might want to help him, Phil. Might pull him in.
Hold up. And don't wind him up too
Move, Sam. Oh. Oh, he's big. Still big.
That was the same one as the other one.
Oh, I doubt it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's big.
Yeah, that's bigger
Look,
than the other.
put your arm down. Oh, you won't turn. There we go.
Oh my gosh! Holy cow! Whoa. Whoa.
Keep the pole up.
Drum.
Drum.
Oh my gosh. This is definitely bigger than yesterday.
That's big.
Oh my
Wait.
gosh. Pull it out.
Oh! That's the biggest one yet. Hold it. Hold it. I want to take a picture. Look, look. That's awesome.
Eee. Oh, God.
I don't know how many fish. We caught some drum, bass. I don't know if we caught any other species. So, yep. Like and subscribe, ring the notification bell. See you in the next video.